you tired of shaving and all your shavings going on the floor or the sink? The wife comes in, bitches, complains, can't take it no more? Well, stay tuned. Have I got the kit for you? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a newcomer and haven't subscribed yet, slam that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell to get the notifications when I upload. Tonight we're going to be going over a pretty nice kit, one that your wives will probably love. Tonight we're going to be going over a kit called Cain Cavalli. And in this kit, your wives will appreciate this. You get a nice brush. I would definitely recommend this. It's a nice medium to hard bristles. The double-sided comb, really well made. I would definitely recommend this also. It's not a cheap piece of wood. You're not going to break that. The oil, 2 ounces, nice gold black coloring. The consistency is pretty nice. See, it's about a medium thickness, maybe a little bit lighter than a medium thickness. Again, it's really citrusy. I would definitely recommend that product as well. And you get all the good oils, the essential oils in this too as well. I'm not going to sit here and read them, but it smells really good. I know I said it, but it's real citrusy. It smells good to me, and I'm normally a woodsy type person. You get a 2-ounce balm, which I haven't used yet, and let's see how good it is. Get it in your fingers, and that emulsifies pretty quick. Oh man, that smells good. And then best part, this is what your wife is going to like. Part of it. When you're sitting in there shaving and all your little hairs are going all over the floor, and boom. In the kit as well. You don't have a pair of scissors to cut with? Guess what? This kit's got you covered too. Bam! Everything you need in a beard kit. I would recommend this 10 times out of 10. Everything in this kit is awesome. Again, the name, Cain Cavalli. I'll put the link down in the description. I hope you liked this review. It was a little bit more upbeat and had a little bit more oomph in it than my last couple videos. And I forgot to mention, if you don't know how to use the plastic tool, bam! Directions! Woo, yeah! This kit gets 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. I would recommend this to anybody starting out. That will do it for this video, ladies and gents. If you haven't subscribed, please slam that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell to get notifications when I upload. Follow me on Instagram, like this video, share it with your friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.